Okay, well, I put the light and the phone mount. It's badass, to be honest. And there's the light on in the front, and it is USB charged. And there's the phone holder, and that thing is in really good, and it's really tight on the phone, so that should be awesome. And I can rotate it. And then in the back, let me just shut this light off. It goes dim, it blinks, and there we go. And then I put the cup holder, and then I got this light in the back, and it also has a dim flash thing there. So yep, I'm ready to rock. Get it all, and I put the caps on the tires too, so there we go, we're ready.